if you bank with them and you're a good, I want to say, user of your account, it's not negative, no overdraft. If you apply for a credit card, it is way easier because they can see the trust, they see your account. Okay, he's a good customer of ours. We can assure that he's gonna have an account with us, one, but two, he's actually a good customer. So we'll give him the card as well as more of I want to say, it's a better option for you. So I think if you have a bank account with somebody, Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America, it's easier to apply for that credit card from them.
Alien Papa, we're not saying showing your account at your work purchase enable you to get a credit card. That's for your tax purposes. What I am saying though is that if you don't have your business credit card and you're purchasing things for the business and you use your personal credit card, you need to make sure you differentiate what you purchase for the business from your personal stuff and let your accountant know so they can deduct that. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Because a lot of the times you might not have a business credit card when you start your business off. So you're going to need to make purchases for your business, right? In the interim. So what do? You probably have to use your personal credit card. And you can do that in the beginning. Just make sure that you separate what you use for business and what you use for personal stuff.